Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I came at you with a lock pen by Lebel. This one is entitled Rotten, as you can see, by AL. I hope you can see this here too. It is actually picked open. This is the third time I got her open. Now my lines are a little bit off, okay, so I apologize for that. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I was trying to pick it clockwise, and now we're gonna go counterclockwise, so. So we got into a nice false set there now. Let's see here. So it's been a minute since I picked a lock. I hope you guys still remember me. So, try to turn this just a bit for you. Yeah, I'm actually using a real camera this time. Are you using Bang? A real camera is being used in the process of being. Oh, there we go. There we go. And there we go. We got her. Sweet. Awesome sauce. So, okay, I gotta back this up now. Take this out. You see back here in the back? See that? Isn't that awesome? That's some awesome shit right there. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here now. And I do all this through the lens, through the camera lens, or around it, or through it, or whatever it may be. So that, this, grab a shim. Oh boy. Oh boy. Huh. Well, looks like I got her locked back up. No? Should be. There we go. Nice. Okay. Serrated. Spool. A very nice spool. Another nice mushroom type spool. And serrated. And let's see up here in the core, looks like we have threading on 1 and 5. And that's what we got. 1 and 5 threading. Nice. And let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Serrated. Pin and pin. Different springs, that's nice. Oops, sorry. Spool. Uh-oh. Had one go shooting out there, folks. Sorry about that. There. Shoot. Up that spring. Lost the spring. Right. And nice. Let's see if we have anything up here. Looks like we have threading on 5 and 1. Nice. Let me see if I can't find that spring real quick. Give me just a sec. Here you go. That pin, rather. Huh. Well, folks, I'm not sure exactly where the that pin went. I will find it and I'll let you know. But these are the springs we got here. This lock again comes to us from Lebel, entitled Rotten. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.